Ha?
Ki Paidbah kanong ba Shillong kilahir Syrngiew hagajan miet jong kalai poterik ukala lengkot arhajar arpuar. Haba kiliok sngowi kejing Bthei ke basawa jamba kebalami na pulis Bazar Shillong. Kani kejing Bthei ke bajor hakapor ku mandriu shteng jan miet kalapen kendit Kynsan ya baro bat khaptam ikitu ke badan Khyndailad. Kat kum ki kubor ke belayo ulum ni ki pulit le tho bakladan kejing Bthei hajan kedukan Delhi Mistan. Bat akene kejing Bthei amshim ladan manu ban Mynsaw. Ki he pulit kejela bat ki pulit jangka bom squad kilalit marmar sekane kejaka badan kejing Bthei ban kemi ibnya lakadai kejing Bthei jang bom IED ne crude bomb. Superintendent ki pulit ke East Khasils ubat Sylvester Notnger uloong bakladan kejing Bthei tangba amshim latre apat ban Bthei ai laudai bom IED ne crude bomb. Bar uloong bagi pulit kidang penelong ya kejing wat benya. Unu he pulit uloong bagi pulit ken threat ikibri ku badan keti hakane ka kambean.
You heard about the blast?
Yeah.
Where were you?
I was inside the hotel. I was just checking in inside the hotel, and suddenly I listened a big sound, and the hotel trembled a lot. So earlier I thought it was an earthquake, but later on I came to know it was a blast just behind our hotel only. So pretty scared, but as far as I am concerned, there was no casualties reported now. So pretty, I'm still scared about this thing.
Still on the job, then CSU still on the job, so we can't say what is, but some kind of blast is there. As I tell you, our team still on the job, so allow us to complete first the job, then we'll give you detail, okay?
Okay, don't bomb sao. Eh, ni aku mau. Aku ni jingja.
Paling